Hi and welcome back to my channel. At long last I can proudly show you this restored Moto Guzzi 254 4-cylinder 250, which is a very rare bike. It's a 1977. We've been working on it for quite a while now and we've virtually gone right through the bike. We've had the side casings painted, the other side casings with the Moto Guzzi logos on, chrome plated. The front fender has just come back from Chromeworks and that's all been done beautifully. We've had the wheels fully restored and refurbished by Pro Alloys in Melksham, which made a fantastic job. Absolutely everything works on this bike now. It is spot on. So very pleased. It's a limited edition. This one is number 109 out of 1,000, so that's why I stuck the sticker underneath the the number plate. Like I say, everything works, all the lights, all the electrics. It's just a lovely thing. I'll run around it to show you, then I'll fire it up. Very rare bike. There's not many. These were never imported into the UK, so I don't know how many there are. Not many, I would have thought. The paintwork's all been refreshed and it's absolutely lovely. Normally these bikes come with a white decal along the sides, the waistline, this piece here, but we've actually put the twin band gold to pick out the gold alloys, which are normally in silver, but I think it looks absolutely stunning the way it is, the gold and red, just for a change. If somebody was really picky and wanted to bring it back to the original, that's no problem at all, because these pieces have only just been stuck on top of the original white, which is all lacquered in, and underneath that sticker there, so it could be brought back to original quite easily. Quirky bike, as you can see. There's no brake reservoir, fluid reservoir is here, and the master cylinders is just there. You can see the lever. Fuel tank, which is a plastic tank, there we go, and it's got a lift up seat there, which is just lovely. Some little spares there, some plugs. Now, for a nearly 50-year-old bike, is absolutely beautiful. Can't fault it. The only thing I haven't chromed is the exhausts. They're okay, very nice. But I was thinking about doing a 4-pipe conversion, because I got somebody that could make that for me to look like my Benelli 900 Say, which I've got also on this channel. Comments would be appreciated. See what you think. Would you think it looked nice with 4 pipes? I think it would. Right, here we go. I'll show you around. I'll show you all the features. It all works. So here we go. That's the ignition, which is there. The horn, indicators. There we go. It flashes there as well. Can't quite see it in this light. They're all flashing. Flick it over to the right. Destra. D for destra. As you can see, it's all in Italian, which is very smart. Yeah, S is for sinistra and D is for destra. Sinistra is left, destra is right. That's there. That's the high beam. All the lights work. I won't go through that because it's boring, but as you can see, it's great. So I'll fire it up. It's a bit noisy, so you need the fuel taps on, both fuel taps. So there's one there and one there. Choke on. That needs to go on, and just a little press. Clever. It always fires. Maybe fuel. How's that? It's obviously cold, but it does run, and it runs really sweet. So there we go. It's a Moto Guzzi 254 from 1977. Very rare bike, quirky. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, as there's many more to follow. Cheers.